Yo! It's Chriso. If you want to learn more, lean in, press your subscribe button, and we'll be home and hose. Look at that beauty. Yeah, so most of the time without distractions, I'm home and hose. I don't make little mistakes, but sometimes you do. I like it. I like it a lot. The easy part is laying all your full tiles. When you're cutting in, it takes a, you know, it's a little bit tricky, but and time consuming, but it's just one of those things. So you see, if I'm real clever, I could that's less than a tile, so I might stop my cut there, start again there, and put that whole piece in. I might do that. Sometimes when you're doing a floor, you make it up as you go. Yeah, cool. That's what I'll do. Right, so where's my marker? Let's cut a piece of tile. I might cut two in case I mislay one. I don't use a tape very often. How's it for straight? Yeah. Walls in Australia, I don't know about anywhere else, but in Australia, your walls, because they put on the what's it called? You know, your corner piece, when they set the gyprock, do the corners, it always sticks out further. So the skirting always bends. I reckon it's rubbish actually, because you should have a nice straight wall. You can't do anything. A tiler can't do anything about it. He's just got a scribe to that wall. So if we cut it there, I bought this the other day to cutting a plank. I've always used a grinder to cut my length, but you get so much dust, so I thought, oh, I'll buy one of these. It's not bad, but Sigma is the best. Right, so we're there. See the laser thingy-doodle? It does the job. And it saves a lot of dust cutting with the grinder, I must say. I won't use it all the time, I'll only use it for when I'm doing plank or 12 or 6. I've always to cut the length, I always used to use a grinder as well. Bloody beauty, tell your mum. You don't have to be super perfect, like that's 2 mil away from the skirting there, but you run a bead of silicone, it's beautiful. It'll do me. I like it. I'll cut a few more clips in a minute.